Guys, so I have this mannequin, but then I wanted to list the color a little bit, so I'm going to transform it from the black to this ombre color you see here. Let's get into the video, right? So I'm using blonde diva and a developer, and then I'm just going to pour this my bleach powder. I'm going to pour about half into a bucket and then add my bleach powder and add hot water, basically that, and then I'll just dip the hair into it and cover it and wait for the magic to happen. I'm not going to use any color because I honestly don't have any color. So, but then this particular mannequin is for bridal hairstyling, and I want to be sharing with you a couple of bridal hairstyling. So if you're interested in learning amazing hairstyles you can do for your bride, or you can do for yourself, or for anybody, amazing ways you can style your frontals, your closure wigs, then stick and stay, and don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload you'll be notified, and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload. So after adding the developer, I went ahead to stir it gently. You have to wear gloves, so wear gloves, please wear hand gloves. I wore it later, you see it later in the video, but make sure you wear hand gloves. So yeah, like I was saying, and if you need the mannequin head, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number will be in the description box, so you can WhatsApp me and I'll get you some. If you're in Ghana or wherever you are, I can get you some. Right now it's going for 230 Ghana cedis, so it comes in black. If you want us to change the color for you, we can do that for you, but then it comes in black. It's 18 inches, so that is it. Now I went ahead, I tested first, and you can see some parts of the hair is already bleached. I first tested if the hair could be bleached, and it was able to bleach. So yeah, I'm just going to dip the hair into the solution I have, and then this is my hand gloves because the one was hot and second is bleach, so I don't want to put my hand inside. And then you make sure the bleach covers every part of the hair, like every single strand of the hair. You get, like every part, to every single part. It's quite hot too, so you have to be extra careful when you are doing that, but make sure it covers every part. To be on the safer side, get a brown or the blonde or any other color, but then this is the color I had, so I had to change the color so that when I do the styles you guys can see it well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, you see the trouble I'm going in for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any of our bridal anything, and also yeah, we are still doing our wig training. If you want to learn wig making, if you want to learn machine wig making especially, then you can hit me up and I'll assist you. Anything about wig making, coloring, styling, everything at all, hit me up and I'll assist you. And so yeah, this is me still making sure the color the bleach enters every single strand. So the bleach is basically to list the color a little before you go in with your dye. If you have proper dye, you go in with your dye to the color you want. So after I was satisfied it has entered everywhere, I went ahead to cover it, and it wasn't able to cover fully, so I went ahead to put the developer on it to press it, and this is the color, the magic we have. The camera is not really doing justice, but it has this ombre color. The top is golden brown and then the down is a bit darker. It's really nice. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking and staying, and don't forget to please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video we are doing ponytail, how to sew a ponytail. You see the one you just take and put on your head here, that one's up. So yeah, I'll see you guys, bye.